Hi everyone, thank you for joining me for this 10-minute Pilates abs and butt workout. So let's begin by coming down onto our elbows today. Elbows underneath the shoulders, the core is engaged, and lift the legs up to tabletop. We're just going to begin alternating tapping each toe down towards the floor. So just find a little tap and tap and tap with the toes down towards your mat. Keep the core nice and engaged the entire time, and every time we pull that knee back through center, think about using your core to pull the knee back. Just working through these little taps, feeling that core begin to switch on. A few more here. And then eventually coming back to center, let's extend the legs up to the sky, find a little open and close. We open, close, open, close, open, close. A few more here. Let's go for 3 and 2. Last one. And then come back through center. Drop the soles of the feet to the floor and come on down to your back. We're going to bring the right hand behind our head and extend the left arm and left leg away. Take a big breath in, exhale to reach up. Bringing the hand and the foot as close together as we can. Trying to lift the head and lift the shoulder blade up off your mat, using your core to pull you up. Keep breathing here, keep moving. Core engaged the whole time, welcoming that movement, welcoming that heat into your abdominals. Just a few more here. Keep breathing. Every time we exhale, we lift. Let's go for 3 and 2. Last one. And then come on down, bring both hands behind the head. And we're going to find ourselves looking down towards the toe, bring the knee and the elbow to center, kick the leg up, lower down. So we find a twist, out, up, and down. A twist, out, up, and down. Keep breathing. Up and down. A twist, out, up, and down. And keep that low back completely stuck to your mat. Keep extending that left leg as much as you can. Right elbow coming as close towards the knee as possible. Getting that right shoulder blade lifted off your mat. And then come back into center. Hug both knees in towards your chest. Find a little rock side to side. Take a nice deep breath. Okay, bring the soles of the feet back to the floor, hands behind the head. We're going to extend the right leg, right arm, and as we exhale, bring them up to the center line. Every exhale, we lift the arm, we lift that leg. Keep the core super engaged here. Lift the right shoulder blade as high as you can off the mat. Exhale, we lift and lift and lift. Good, keep breathing. Last one here. Good, bring both hands behind the head. We're going to keep that right leg extended as we cross elbow to knee, lift the leg and lower. So we cross, extend, lift and lower. Good, cross, extend, lift and lower. Cross, extend, lift and lower, and keep this movement going. Keep that core super engaged. We're probably starting to feel the heat, the burning in through our abs. Keep breathing. And then eventually come back into center. Drop the feet to the floor, soles of the feet together, let the knees open out to the side. Fingertips reaching up. We're going to lift the legs, keeping them in this diamond shape. As we exhale, reach the hands through the legs. So every inhale we lower, exhale we lift. Inhale we lower, exhale we lift. Keep reaching the arms through those legs. Every time we lift, try to get the shoulder blades a little bit higher off your mat. And eventually we stop, we hold. Find a few little pulses here. Pulse, 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 pulse. And then back through center, drop the soles of the feet and go ahead and roll onto your belly. Meet me in a Sphinx pose with the elbows under the shoulders and lifting the chest so that we can feel that deep stretch through our abdominals. Take a couple of deep breaths here, right down into the belly. And then go ahead and meet me lying on your right hand side. We can bring the elbow to the floor for support. Bend the knees out in front. And then we're going to lift that top leg. We're going to flex the foot. And we're going to find a few little lifts and lowers. We lift and lower, lift and lower. Just working through these, keeping the core engaged, lifting that leg as high as we can. Starting to feel all of those muscles through the legs and through the glutes begin to switch on. Let's take 2 more here. Last one. This time bring your leg down to hip height, point the toes away, and we're going to tap the front and the back of the mats. Just taking that leg front to back, trying to kick it up as high as we can each time, just making these beautiful rainbow shapes with our toes. Lifting and lowering, front to back. And then coming back to center, taking a few little circles. Imagine that you're drawing circles with your big toe. Switching directions, take a few the other way. And then eventually coming back to center, flexing the foot and find a few little pulses here, up and down. Keep working into those glute muscles. Keep breathing. And then lower that leg, keep the knees together, lift the toes, and we're going to open and close those knees, finding these little clamshells. Open, close, we open, we close. Keep the core switched on and engaged. Good, and then on your next one, open those knees, extend the leg, hold it here. Deep breath. And then connect the toes, close the knees and lower the feet. We can give a little bit of a pad out through those glutes. And then come to meet me, this time lying down on your left hand side. Again, we can bring the elbow to the floor for support. Bend those knees out in front of you and engage the core. Lifting the top leg, flexing your foot. We're going to find a lift and lower. We lift, we lower, we lift, we lower. The core stays switched on. We're working all of the muscles in through our thighs and in through our glutes. Keep lifting the leg up as high as you can. A few more here. Coming back to center, point the toes away and find those rainbows with your legs, tapping the toes towards the very front of your mat and then the very back of your mat. tap, and tap, and tap. Every time we lift that leg through center, trying to lift it up as high as we can. Really burning out those glute muscles. Coming back to center, point the toes and take a few little circles one way. And then a few little circles the other way. Eventually coming back to stillness, flexing the foot, and take those last few pulses here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then lower that leg, connect the toes, lift the toes up and keep the knees together. We're going to open the knees and close, open and close, open and close. Every time we open up the knee, really using those muscles in the legs to open up as wide as we can. Keep those toes hovering up off your mat. Working into the side of the glutes. Eventually we lift the top leg up, we hold it here, deep breath. And then eventually connect the toes, connect the knees, drop your feet, and you can take that little pad out through the sides of your legs. And then eventually press yourself back, take a child's pose. Reach your fingers forwards, forehead down. Deep breath here. Nice big deep breaths right down to the belly and full breaths out. Eventually finishing our practice by coming back to seated, and namaste everyone. Like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.